training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucid. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Lark uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odor-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilize operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no hydro challenge Lark can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Lark is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.
Per page. Caesar innovatively uses the CMOS scanning technology and equipped with 32-bit MIPS CPU to transfer the information easily and omit the complicated procedures of installing driver. Caesar Cloud enables automatic cloud processing and storage. To achieve the goal of scanning bounded books, Caesar is equipped with the advanced smart algorithms, which can flatten curve, remove fingerprint, purify background, and split pages automatically. In addition, with Sony HD camera, Caesar can guarantee the high quality of scanning. With embedded OCR function, Caesar can make image editable with one click. With the innovative visual presenter function, Caesar can output 1080 video at 30 frames per second. Caesar is a smart scanner based on cloud computing and IoT technology. No matter where you are, in office or at home, no matter what they are, financial invoices, business contracts, or private collection books, Caesar can always help you scan easily and efficiently.
There are moments you want to cherish from your unique point of view. Moments you can't recreate. When you want to experience and capture the moment at the same time. When you need to unleash your camera and let it fly. Introducing Selfly, a smart autonomous flying camera that doubles as a 9mm thin phone case. It is with you at all times, ready to capture and share the perfect shot you could only dream of. Selfly takes off and hovers autonomously, operated in real time through your phone to catch the perfect shot you want. Selfly flies by itself like an invisible tripod, easily controlled by adjusting the frame with simple hand gestures. Selfly is a smart flying camera. Anything your smartphone is able to detect or process could be sent to control Selfly and enable incredible features like face and smile recognition, sweep panoramic, or even follow your movements. And of course, you can share them instantly on all your social platforms. Selfly folds to a 9mm slim design thanks to the unique motor folding mechanism, so it can easily fit comfortably in your pocket. Selfly is your point of view from a new, exciting angle.
Whether your drink is staring at you from the coffee table, balancing nervously on the sofa arm, or waiting to be knocked over on the floor, we have the perfect solution for you. Couch Coaster, the ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Its sleek body wraps over the arm of your couch and holds all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. With an integrated mug handle slot and handy adapter, it makes light work of holding mugs, tumblers, bottles and cans. Couch Coaster's secret is its weighted non-slip silicone body, which provides optimum support for your drink over different shapes and sizes of arms on your fabric or leather suite. Couch Coaster's sleek design looks great on any armchair and comes in a variety of colors for the perfect match in your own living room. So, whether you're watching your favorite show, reading your favorite book, or enjoying a casual dinner, Couch Coaster is great for the whole family.